Welcome to AI. Let's talk about it. Today we're doing a bit of a deep dive into, well, something interesting about bringing AI into your work life,
Yeah, it turns out it's maybe less about the actual AI tech.
and more about us, the people using it,
Exactly. We're going to look at why sometimes these really powerful tools just don't stick, why they fall flat.
and maybe figure out what makes AI adoption actually work, avoiding those common, pitfalls.
Right. Because it's often not the tech failing, it's psychological. Organizations get excited about what AI can do.
But they forget to think about how it fits into someone's actual day.
Precisely. Think about it, we're already drowning in apps, right? So many different platforms.
Oh, tell me about it. Sauce overload, and now AI tools are getting added to that mix.
And often as separate tools again, it just adds to that digital fatigue.
Okay, digital fatigue, that sounds draining.
It is. Your attention gets pulled everywhere. It creates this cognitive lag, slows you down, which is kind of the opposite of what you want from these tools.
So if you introduce AI as yet another standalone thing, it just makes that whole fragmented workspace problem worse.
Totally worse.
Yeah.
It's like adding another app you have to learn, another place you have to go. It disrupts the flow people already have.
Right. Which I guess is where understanding how people adopt tech comes in.
Exactly. There are models for this,
Hmm.
like the technology acceptance model, TAM.
Okay, TAM. What's the core idea there?
It's pretty straightforward, actually. People accept tech if they think it's genuinely useful for them.
Makes sense.
And, crucially, if it's easy to use. If it feels like a huge effort or really disruptive, forget it,
Even if it's powerful AI.
even then. And there's another one, adaptive structuration theory, AST. It basically says tech adoption isn't a one-off thing. It's this ongoing dance between the tech, the people, and, like, the company structures.
So the environment matters, where the AI lives.
Huge difference, which leads us to integration, right? Embedding AI.
Instead of a separate app, it's inside the tools we already use every day, like Teams or Slack.
Exactly. Or your main company software. That's the key. When the AI capability is just there in your existing workflow.
It feels less jarring, less like learning something totally new.
Precisely. It becomes an enhancement, not a replacement. These integrations, they act like psychological bridges. Makes it feel familiar.
Psychological bridges, I like that. So embedding AI this way, what are the big wins?
Well, first, it reduces that friction, that cognitive dissonance. It feels more like an upgrade to your habits, not a whole separate thing you have to do.
Okay, so easier adoption, less resistance.
Yeah. And it builds trust. People are more willing to experiment, to actually try the AI features when they're right there, easy to access.
And does this actually lead to better results? Like, is there evidence for this?
Oh, definitely. Research, including insights like those from Shelley Meadows, really supports this. Integrated approaches generally lead to, well, smoother transitions, better engagement from employees.
And ultimately a better return on that AI investment.
Exactly, because people are actually using it effectively.
So the perspective needs to shift. Implementing AI isn't just an IT rollout.
Not at all. It's fundamentally a behavioral journey. Adoption happens when it clicks with how people actually work.
It's about making the technology fit the human, not the other way around.
You got it. Success really hinges on respecting those existing workflows and just weaving the AI into them seamlessly, meeting you where you already are.
That's a really practical takeaway. So understand the human side first.
Absolutely.
For anyone listening who wants to dig deeper into this intersection of AI and, well, human behavior, we really recommend Shelley Meadows' book, From Data to Decisions, AI Insights for Business Leaders.
Yeah, it offers some really valuable perspectives on navigating these practical and human bits of putting AI to work.
Great stuff. Thanks for joining us for this look into AI adoption. Hopefully it's giving you some food for thought.